Namaste everyone. Everyone can be observer of their life and surrounding life. Please think all event of life and connect and analyze and conclude. You check yourself, you judge yourself because situation or circumstances around you come always to testify you, grow you, providing opportunity to you. But remember always, everyone has its own weakness and strong part. Whatever weak, that was strong in past life and worldly mother and father. See degree of connectedness of child with their worldly parents or divine parents or Bhagwan ji or God. We always good in present life but getting bad. Then we ask why this happens to me, what I did wrong. Then God comes in form of guru or in form of a spiritual teachings that teaches you karmic law and the teachings to overcome the problems you are facing. हम सभी उस परम पिता परमात्मा का अंश हैं, सो ईश्वर हमारे सामने कई रूपों में आता है. वी कैन लर्न मैनी थिंग्स फ्रॉम ईच अदर or we can teacher of each other, we can friend of each other, or we can master of each other. It is better to master your weakness or virtues. Do not give attention to others weakness and strong part. You can help others to elevate good things or neutralize bad things. You are a divine being. You have to serve yourself with a pure thought, pure food, water, air and many more things. Otherwise, your divine being will become a danim. Few years back, I visited few ashram discussing few observation here. I was in canteen of ashram with my family. Pupils were busy in receiving food items from canteen. Canteen was serving samosa, tea, South Indian food and many more things. Similar kind of food item also I have observed in canteens of few temples too. Scanning a face of a person and their situation is a very interesting phenomena. I saw one lady in ashram eating something. What I observed from her to take food from a spoon to her mouth with great difficulty. In spite of these persons with their family gossiping and eating with laugh, smile or talk. When I listen to spiritual lectures, then I observe that they are teacher or on post of guru, but they are teaching how to live happily, how to resolve family issues. Then question arises at one respect they are saying to be with family, or another aspect ashram is accommodating pupils who has left their family to live peacefully there. I think your karma should be very strong in all aspects and your connectedness with your God. कहते हैं आपत्ति काले विपरीत बुद्धि होवे. आपको क्या लगता है, ये मैं सोचता हूँ या ये तुम सोचते हो और करते हो. आई ऑब्जर्व लाइफ वेरी क्लोजली. बस एक छोटे बच्चे की तरह आप अपने सबसे फेवरेट भगवान जी की उंगली पकड़े रहिए. बस बाकी आपकी सोच कैसी रहेगी उन पर छोड़ दीजिए. इट डिपेंड्स अपॉन यू हाउ टू टॉक, हाउ टू शेयर योर थिंग्स टू योर गॉड. God will take your responsibility. God and Guru is teaching you lesson of tolerance, adjustment, love and hatred, richness and poorness. Adjustment and tolerance at every level. Parental level, school level, friend level, job level, in-laws, family level. Again your children's level. Again your children's family level. To come out from these, then on a spiritual level, with following instructions of your guru. Freedom is given to those who have not taken the advantage of freedom. Where you are living, that also matters. Suppose you are living in hill areas, positive aspect is you are getting a good air, green and natural environment, but you realize life movement is quite difficult in that areas. With adventure, fun and risk is in a small city, no headache of too much traffic and other things as compared to the metropolitan cities. Just observe life in hilly areas, fulfilling all aspects of life and family education and other things is difficult there. You can travel by various means. Once upon a time, AC3 coach was for higher middle class, but nowadays AC3 coach looks like a sleeper. Every aspect has both positive and negative things. Enjoy with the positive and learn with the negative and choose best out of them. Again, when, where, which and how facility to avail. What is satisfactory level? Whether you are staying in a big house or big hotel or a small city or big city, underdeveloped country or developed country. At the end of the day, everyone needs good sleep. That is the actual or the real need, so that next day again you can do your work very well. When we think about suffering is actually kind of settlement of your negative karmic account. It can be in any form, in form of parents, in form of your spouse or children, or in form of others family members or surrounding peoples. It can be form of loss of money, loss of job, loss of near dear ones. It can be in any form of disease. It is very easy to eat food set on dining table or restaurant table. How much difficulty it was prepared or arranged, it also matters. पति पत्नी गाड़ी के दो पहिए होते हैं. Just think, male earn money outside. For earning money, how person's educational background, how much he has done effort, how much he adjust, tolerate, listen or adapt to survive or earn money outside environment. Earner can be male or female. Life is also not easy for female at home. How she adjusts, tolerate, adapt in-laws family to happily live with their husband and children. So adjustment outside and inside both. Never to be proud for money or anything. समय समय की बात होती है. Due to some good karmic account, you are in good position, but do not take the advantage of that and create misery to weak peoples. एक दिन हाथी को चींटी मिल जाती है और चींटी को हाथी. Don't underestimate others. रुपये, कपड़ों और पैसों का घमंड नहीं करना चाहिए. अगला जन्म कैसा हो कुछ पता नहीं. But your master or your guru know all your thoughts or all your event of life. What is the role of money? Money plays very important role in life if used positively or constructive purposes. पैसा एक प्यासे को पानी और भूखे को खाना खिलाता है. खाना खिलाना is very easy task, but suffering hunger is great thing. पैसा लंगड़े को बैसाखी देता है, व्हील चेयर देता है, फिजिकली हैंडीकैप को सुविधाएं देता है, but you have gone through that suffering when your legs, hands are not working well. Eyes, ear, nose, even all body, external, internal organs are very important. What you want, एक स्वस्थ शरीर और उस स्वस्थ शरीर को चलाने वाली आत्मीय शक्ति. हम सभी को उस परम सत्ता को स्वीकारना होगा. हर डॉट का एंटीडॉट होता है. हम बस अपनी नासमझी में ही खुश हो रहे होते हैं और घमंड कर रहे होते हैं. Concluding remark is that whatever we have, try to do best in that with balance of happiness and not doing anything wrong or hurting to others. कम और ज़्यादा तो चलता ही रहता है. सुख के बाद दुख और दुख के बाद सुख आएगा ही. यह प्रकृति का नियम है. Day by day various business models are coming in today's era. Why not we create only those business that are useful or required for life, with balance between happy and healthy and prosperous life, along with good air, water and good soil or natural environment. Why not we are teaching new generation to create such education and job environment that will be useful for society, city, country or world. Unnecessary things should be stopped or replaced to create new world. For that, cooperation from everyone is expected. Life is misery with सास बहू लड़ाई और नंद भौजाई लड़ाई. आज के ज़माने में जिस बहू ने अपने पति को अपने कब्जे में किया होता है वो अपने सास के लिए वृद्धाश्रम ढूंढती है, और जिस सास ने अपने बेटे पर कब्जा किया होता है वहाँ बहू को अपने लिए आश्रम ढूंढना पड़ता है. We think carefully. Who is your real master? इस जन्म का घमंड मत कर. अगला जन्म क्या होगा कुछ पता नहीं. सो गुड सीड्स ऑलवेज. यू नो, दो की लड़ाई में तीसरे का फायदा होता है. दीज आर पर्ल ऑफ विजडम. सो टेक केयर. भगवान ने हमें कितना अच्छा जीवन दिया है, लेकिन दूसरों के चक्कर में जीवन बर्बाद है. इट डिपेंड्स अपॉन यू हाउ मच यू आर पार्टिसिपेटिंग इन दैट, और बिफोर पार्टिसिपेशन टू whom you inform. बिफोर डूइंग एनीथिंग एट लीस्ट यू शेयर विद योर भगवान जी, बताइए क्या करें. This is the matter. So always ask for guidance, help and protection to your Parampita. Thank you very much.